I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But
okay, so hello lovely people. I'm Ahimade Soul and welcome to my channel. So I'm currently at Universite Orleans. Yeah, that's why I studied. That's why I did my master's degree. But let me just confess, this is actually an old video I took when I was a student. And I just saw it on my old laptop, and I believe it's going to be very useful to anyone who is planning to come to Universite Orleans. Universite d'Orléans is a large public university located in Orléans with over 15,000 students enrolled. It was founded in 1971. The university has 16,000 students, including 2,000 international students representing 110 nationalities. With Paris just 1 hour away by train, the famous Chateau of the Loire within easy reach, and the largest forest in France to the north, the Université d'Orléans lies in close nature. Students have access to a variety of academic and non-academic facilities and services, including a library and administrative services. Why don't you go check out the library? This beautiful structure with the red doors is the Radio Campus Orléans. It's really easy to tune in. The frequency of the channel is 88.3 FM. Just set your radio with the frequency to know the exciting news and updates on campus.
Also, so we've come to an amazing Université d'Orléans tour. Thank you so much for coming with me on this amazing tour. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. Until we meet again next time, It's a bye. I'm out of here.